Good morning, students. Hope you are enjoying online study session. This is the last session of explanation. Now, I will start with the next topics. Some more divisibility rules. Consider 24. Now 24 is divisible by 8 and the factors of 8, that is 1, 2, 4 and 8 also divide 24. So we can say if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. The number 80 is divisible by 4 and 5. It is also divisible by 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. And 4 and 5 are co-primes. So, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. The numbers 16 and 20 are both divisible by 4. The number 16 plus 20 is equal to 36 is also divisible by 4. So we can say if two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. The numbers 35 and 20 are both divisible by 5. Now their difference, that is 35 minus 20, is 15. 15 is also divisible by 5. So we can say if two given numbers are divisible by a number, then that difference is also divisible by that number. Prime factorization. When a number is expressed as a product of its factors, we say that the number has been factorized. Thus, when we write 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 12, we say that 24 has been factorized. This is one of the factorizations of 24. The others are 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6. In place of 12, we will write 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. In place of 6, you will write 2 multiplied by 3. Next, 24 is equal to 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to, in place of 4, you will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. In place of 6, you will write 2 multiplied by 3. 24 is equal to 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 3 multiplied by, in place of 8 you will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. In all the above factorizations of 24, we ultimately arrive at only one factorization, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. In this factorization, the only factors 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Such a factorization of a number is called a prime factorization. Factor tree. Choose a number, suppose 90. Think of a factor pair, say 90 is equal to 10 multiplied by 9. Now think of a factor pair of 10. 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. And write factor pair of 9. 9 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. So prime factors of 90 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Some examples. Find the HCF of 20, 28 and 36 by prime factorization. Solution. First 20. Now 20, that is 2 tens are 20. 10 you can write as 2 fives are, and 5 you can write as 5 ones are. Now 28. 28 you can write as 2 14s are, 14 2 sevens are, and 7 you can write as 7 ones are. 36. 2 18s are 36. Now 18 2 9s are, and 9 3 3s are, and 3 you can write as 3 ones are. So 20 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 28 you can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7, and 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is equal to, which are the common numbers? 2 and another 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is equal to 4. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. Solution. Prime factorizations of 12 and 18 are: 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now in 12, the maximum number of times the prime factor 2 occurs is how many times? 2. In 18, the maximum number of times the prime factor 3 occurs is 2. So the LCM of the two numbers is the product of the prime factors that is counted the maximum number of times they occur. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. Next example. Find the LCM of 40, 48 and 45. Solution. The prime factorizations of 40, 48 and 45 are: 40 you can write as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 45 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiply 3 multiplied by 3 and multiply by 5, that is 720. Next, find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Solution. 20, 25, 30 you will write. Now first you will start with 2. First 20. 2 tens are 20. 25 as it is you will write, as it is not divisible by 2. 30. 2 15s are 30. Now again with number 2 you are going to divide. 2 5s are 10. 25 as it is, 15 as it is. Now with 3. 5 as it is you will write, 25 as it is you will write, and 15, that is 3 5s are 15. Now with 5. 5 1s are 5. Now 25. 5 5s are 25, and 5 5 1s are 5. Now again with 5. 5 1 as it is you will write. Now 5 is there, so 5 1s are 5, and 1 as it is you will write it down. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, that is 300. Some problems on HCF and LCM. We come across a number of situations in which we make use of the concepts of HCF and LCM. We will explain this situation through a few examples. Example 1. Two tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene oil respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. Solution. The required container has to measure both the tankers in a way that the count is an exact number of times. So, its capacity must be an exact divisor of the capacities of both the tankers. Moreover, this capacity should be maximum. Thus, the maximum capacity of such a container will be the HCF of 850 and 680. 850. First, with 2 you are going to start. 2 multiply by 425, that is 850. 5 multiply by 85, 425. 5 multiply by 17, that is 85. 17 multiply by 1, that is 17. Now 680. First you will start with 2. 2 multiply by 340, that is 680. 2 multiply by 170, that is 340. 2 multiply by 85, that is 170. 5 multiply by 17, that is 85, and 17 multiply by 1, that is 17. 850 is equal to 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 17, and 680 is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 17. The common factors of 850 and 680 are 2, 5 and 17. Thus, the HCF of 850 and 680 is 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 17 is equal to 170. Therefore, the maximum capacity of the required container is 170 liters. It will fill the first container in 5 and the second in 4 refills. Example 2. Find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. Solution. We first find the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36 as follows. First write 12, 16, 24 and 36. First you will start with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 12 are 24, 2 18 are 36. Again with 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. Again with 2, 3 as it is you will write, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is you will write. Again with 2, 3 you will write as it is, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is you will write, and 9 as it is you will write. Now with 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is you will write, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now with 3, 1 as it is you will write, again 1 as it is you will write, 1 as it is you will write, and 3 1s are 3. LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 144. 144 is the least number which when divided by the given numbers will leave remainder 0 in each case. But we need the least number that leaves remainder 7 in each case. Therefore, the required number is 7 more than 144. The required least number is equal to 144 plus 7 is equal to 151. Exercise 3.5. Question 3. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? Answer. 1 is not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. Exercise 3.6. Question 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers. A. 18, 48. Answer. Now factors of 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and factors of 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So HCF of 18 and 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Exercise 3.7. Question 1. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Answer. For finding maximum weight, we have to find HCF of 75 and 69. Factors of 75 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Factors of 69 is equal to 3 multiplied by 23. So HCF is equal to 3. Therefore, the required weight is 3 kg. So students, here we end our chapter. I hope the explanation was quite clear. It was nice taking this session for you. Take care, stay home. Have a good day. Thank you all.